it can be awkward, and like maybe it's not gonna be good all the time. It's not like this magical myth of joy and pleasure. I wish I hadn't learned that you need to prove your love by having sex with someone.
You should know that you don't have to do it if you don't want to.
There should be at least a base level of communication.
I'm just saying there's a lot of young girls, a lot of my friends have gotten pregnant at a young age and they didn't know when they could get pregnant. And they don't know to this day, and they're pregnant and they don't even know how they got pregnant.
If you make one mistake one night, you're gonna have a baby for the rest of your life, you know.
To become an adult, you know, it's about learning responsibility and knowing your roles and understandings of your world around you.
You have to be safe about it. It can be fun, but you also have to know your mistakes. You know, you don't make your mistakes last forever.